to the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before when you put on the pineapple.
Today I bought one very fine mechanical pencil. It's quite expensive for me, but I know I was going to get this when I first saw it and finally bought it. It's Graf von Faber Castell classic mechanical pencil, Macassar wood. I believe there are 4 different woods you can choose. I think Pernambuco and Granadilla, ebony, and Macassar. And I chose Macassar. I chose Pernambuco wood for my fountain pen because I think this color is the best color out of 4 woods. But this mechanical pencil, I chose the Macassar because it kind of looks longer than others. I mean, except Macassar, like Pernambuco, ebony, and Granadilla, they all kind of look short, you know, in my opinion. Since this area is quite long and thin, so you can't use this area while you use it. So as you use, you will see this part, and since the stainless steel and the wood colors are totally different, it kind of looks short. But this Macassar, the colors kind of flows as like one piece, so it looks more comfortable and balanced in my eyes. So I chose the Macassar, and I think I made a right choice because I'm in love with this pencil right now. It just looks so pretty. Graf von, I think their design is one of the best. They all look super cool and expensive. Okay, so if I go through some basic specs, first the weight, it's about 35.9 grams, so I think it's slightly on heavy side. Most of the mechanical pencils are under 15 grams. The length about 14 centimeters, so I guess about average. Slightly on short side in the average length boundary. And the diameter is about 0.95 centimeters, so this one also about average. Most of them are in 9 to 10 millimeters, so average I would say. But the length of the front part is quite long. It's about 3.5 centimeters, which is super long. Typical mechanical pencils front is usually under like 2.5 centimeters, including the pipe. So this Graf von is about 1 centimeter longer than any typical mechanical pencils. And it doesn't have the pipe. I guess they removed the pipe to give better durability to lid and make this part linear and long so it will be legible as we write. If this part is short, it's a little bit uncomfortable as we write because our hands and fingers will like cover the letters as we write. So I think they chose to make this part long for legibility and remove the pipe for decreasing the chance of breaking the lid. And I think because of that, the profile, it looks super sleek and elegant. Doesn't have the pipe, so definitely not for drafting or detail drawings. I'm guessing suitable for just writing or outline drawings. It feels super sturdy and firm, even though there are lots of parts connected. I mean, I had the same feelings when I first used Graf von fountain pen. Very sturdy and firm, but this mechanical pencil also feels the same way. It's pretty outstanding craftsmanship, I would say. So not like typical mechanical pencil system, knocking system. This is twist mechanism. It doesn't rotate 160 degrees. It just rotates like 45 degree and then the lid comes out. And one turn, about 1 millimeter comes out in one turn. So this one is so like I said, it's a twist mechanism, which I think is slightly uncomfortable since we have to use two hands to expose the lid. But the upside of this twist mechanism is that it's sturdier than knocking or shaking or other way. And it has this like own mood, maybe like a retro vibe. But this twist, it has its own elegant vibe, but it's definitely less comfortable than the knocking type. The clip, of course, Graf von signature spring clip is also applied. Very nice. Has Graf von's logo on the crown area, like their classic fountain pen. I mean, overall, it's a very nice looking mechanical pencil. It has like a similar profile to typical mechanical pencil, but it looks way more cooler and elegant than any other pencil in the world. Super awesome. So the lid, they use 0.7 millimeters, and 0.7 is the only size available. I mean, most Asians, including me, usually prefer 0.5 because of the Chinese letters based characters. The strokes has to be thin because usually the letters are complicated. But in the Europe or like state, the letters are pretty simple, not complicated, very linear type. So that's why I think they choose 0.7 millimeter instead of 0.5. And 0.7 obviously is going to have less chance of breaking the lid as we use it. But I think to most of Asians, even me, it might be slightly awkward using the 0.7 millimeter thickness since we are all like very used to 0.5. Okay, so let's deconstruct just a little bit and see how these parts go together. So there's an eraser inside, but I won't use it. I bet even this refill will be super expensive. Okay, so these are the components. I guess average numbers of parts. Enough parts to fix it by yourself if there's a problem. I usually prefer less components because if there's a lot of components, it means the connecting areas will get loosened as we use it. So we have to like keep screwing it back, and loss of parts also means there's a chance of gap between those parts, leading to instability and irritating sounds as we use. But too little parts, it means better stability, but if something happens inside, you can't fix it by yourself, which I think is a bigger problem than instability. So it's quite tricky when it comes to making a mechanical pencils, like choosing the material, sizes of components, functions, how it looks. I mean, there's a lot to think about. But one minor flaw I found is that I've put the knob where the logo is on the clip area, and if I keep twisting, the logo tends to like go this direction. So I put the logo on the clip area, and then if I turn it, this logo is slightly going this area, which is slightly irritating. but it just moved like 1 centimeter and it doesn't go even more, so it just stays here. I think the minor flaw is that. So anyway, why don't I test a bit and see how it feels.
Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay, so I think they put B. HB or B, but it feels like B, I think. I think it was very comfortable when I was using it. I think the heaviness gives an elegance feel as I use it. And it's also very, very well balanced. No weird sounds or any parts like try to loosen as I use it. It's very sturdy. I also liked it how it looks when I use it. Very cool looking mechanical pencil. I mean, it's quite pricey, but I definitely recommend it. Even though it's beyond your budget limitation on mechanical pencil, I think it's still worth it. I mean, this sure is a must-have writing instrument. Super, super good. I think I like even more than my Graf von fountain pen. I mean, I promise you, you guys won't regret this if you're a mechanical pencil lover like me. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.